2026 Land Rover Range Rover Velar. Price: $61,600 to $78,900. Pros: silky smooth optional i6 engine. Looks excellent. Feels spacious inside. Cons: not getting any younger. Stark interior design. Costs more than many rivals. Even within Land Rover's lineup of stylish and luxurious SUVs, the Velar stands out with its alluring exterior design. How the Velar still looks so contemporary years after its 2018 introduction is a testament to its fashion-forward approach, which focuses on looks and luxury more than off-road performance like some other Land Rover models. Among the Velar's rivals are the Lincoln Nautilus, Genesis GV70, and Porsche Macan. What's new? A 360-degree camera and weight depth sensing become standard on all models. Giola green and Batumi gold paints introduced, Hakuba silver discontinued. New design 21 and 22-inch wheels available. Black painted brake calipers become optional. Black exterior styling package adds black brake calipers and other exterior trim details. Gesture-controlled tailgate, Meridian premium audio, illuminated metal door sills, and adjustable driving dynamics offered as standalone options depending on trim. Autobiography replaces house as range-topping trim. What we think? The Velar still looks as good as the day it made its debut and likely still will long after its production run ends. Given the vehicle's age, it's about 8 years old now. That conclusion could come soon, but the Velar is still alluring. Design remains the Velar's most compelling attribute, but luxury abounds, as well. The cabin is lined with upscale materials and feels more spacious than the exterior dimensions suggest. Although it's a nice place to be, the interior design looks austere, especially contrasted against the evocative exterior. Furthermore, Land Rover's touchscreen-intensive control layout isn't very user-friendly. There's a dearth of physical buttons for basic controls. When equipped with the optional air suspension and 6-cylinder engine, the Velar is a great SUV to drive, soaking up road chatter and providing swift, smooth acceleration. It's no defender, but the Velar should have what it takes to make it down an unpaved road. In addition to its age, a starting price that's higher than many other luxury SUVs could inhibit buyers from choosing the Velar. Even so, those who do make it their own likely won't be disappointed. Performance and MPGs. Regardless of which engine is inside, the Velar is equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard AWD. The basic engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder that produces 247 HP and 269 lb-ft of torque. Its likely 0-60 mph acceleration will take about 7.1 seconds. Fuel economy should rate at 22/26 mpg city/highway. This engine is designated by a P250 badge. A turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder with a mild hybrid system is offered as an upgrade. It makes 395 HP and 406 lb-ft of torque. In Motor Trend testing, a Velar with this engine hit 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. Expect fuel economy to rate at 19/25 mpg city/highway. This engine bears P400 designation. Safety and driver assist features. Among the Velar's standard driver assist and active safety features are front automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist. Cargo space and interior room. Although the Velar's interior feels more spacious than its exterior dimensions might imply, some rivals nevertheless provide more room for passengers and cargo. Legroom, front/rear. Cargo space, seats up/down. 2026 Land Rover Velar. 40.3/37.1 inches. 29.5/60.2 cubic feet. 2026 Genesis GV80 Coupe. 41.6/38.7 inches. 30.3/62.1 cubic feet. 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. 43.5/43.1 inches. 36.4/71.3 cubic feet. New 2026 Velar autobiography. For 2026, Land Rover introduces the Velar autobiography as the new range-topping trim, replacing the house model. In addition to the 6-cylinder P400 engine and air suspension, the Velar autobiography is equipped with niceties such as a Meridian audio system, suede headliner, extended leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic moon roof. Beyond 21-inch wheels, the Velar autobiography can be distinguished by its exclusive copper-colored exterior trim accents. The 2026 Velar autobiography starts at slightly more than $80,000. Velar EV coming soon? Maybe. Land Rover has been clear about its intentions to create all-electric SUVs, but that campaign will start with the iconic Range Rover. It's likely a Velar EV will arrive to replace today's model, wearing eye-catching design that brings attention to Land Rover's electric efforts. If Land Rover does introduce an electric Velar, expect it to arrive for 2027 or 2028. Other midsize luxury SUVs. Lincoln Nautilus. Genesis GV80 Coupe. BMW X6. Polestar 3.